Hey everyone, this is Miss King coming to you with some tips and tricks for the Calorimetry lab. First thing, the link on Blackboard will bring you to this Gizmo homepage. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using that same login information you had when we did the solubility lab. So I'm logged in as my test student now. Once it pulls up our period 6 chemistry class, go down to the Calorimetry lab. That's the one we're going to be doing today. And this is what it looks like. You got your simulation on the left, the actual lab setup. On the right, you have a description. Once you've read that, flip over to the graph tab. That's where we're going to be recording and analyzing the changes that happened during this lab. So this is your calorimeter. This is a constant pressure calorimeter, also called a coffee cup calorimeter. We are going to add materials to it. So you can add in copper. You click on it to add it. Click again to remove it. We'll also look at granite, lead, and ice, one at a time. So the actual simulations we're doing are going to start with copper, so let's look at that. We can change temperature by using the slider or by typing the value in. Our first simulation is going to use 90 degrees C copper. So type that in, click enter. 200 grams mass of copper. And then 30 degrees C water. So this is where we change water's characteristics down here. And we actually want 200 grams of water. So double check my numbers, make sure that they're what I want for this simulation run. Once I'm good with that, I'll go over to controls and I'll hit play. And what you notice when you hit play is that it shows a line for the temperature of copper and for the temperature of water. So the copper is that nice coppery orange color. And then blue is the water. And what you'll notice is they come to equilibrium, they turn into the same temperature. And that temperature is recorded down here. I know it's in kind of small print, but that is an important number that you're going to be pulling out from these simulations. Once that's all good, you're going to hit reset. And you can change any of these numbers. Maybe you're going to look at granite next. You'd unclick copper and then move to granite. Once you're done with the whole simulation, you're going to answer those 5 assessment questions at the end, so just scroll down and you'll see your assessment questions. Again, there's 5 of them. Take some time to do these, they're kind of tricky. Once you're done with all of them, click check your answers. You'll see feedback and it'll also send a score to me, and that'll be recorded as a separate assignment. Awesome, so that's the gist of the calorimetry gizmo. And of course, please send questions as you have them. Good luck.